got something like BB King about to happen in this bitch. Hold on, let me tell you right now what I'm sipping on. I ain't sipping on that lean. I'm actually finishing a Corona I had last night. See, I don't need to drink all of it at once. I enjoy the taste. It's like water to me. But alright, here we go. Hard days ahead, just gotta keep a clear head. Never wound up dead. What are you saying, you can't die? How do you go and figure that? Before I answer that, take your finger off the triggers on my ass. Then take this flask and pour it all up, yep. Take heed to these words, for these are the chapters. And Satan answered the Lord and said, skin for skin, yeah, all they have he will give for his own life. Does that include your wife? How do you understand the pains of this knife? But put forth your hands on his bones and flesh, and he will curse you straight to your face. Behold, he's in your hands, just save his life. Sword boils will occur, but my opinion won't differ. How are we to receive the goods of this life, but not the bad? Damn it, Dad, why I feel so sad? I should be glad, looking at the life I had and the one to come. Dumb, you would say, do you have an understanding to the things I say? Times are gray all fucking day, I think it's time to pray. Dragons we have to slay, demons on my past. At last it comes out, the truth comes out. You say, hold on a second, can you give me one time I was evil enough to have something truthful to say? Stay truthful now, no need for a scene from a different play. This is our life now, why you trying to lead astray? Who is hardening themselves toward the Lord and prosper? Wayne, you ain't gonna like this, but you have lost worse. You could be it, poor as dirt and still have your soul, but be as rich with all this fool's gold and still end up dead in a hole. Whoa, where did this come from? It came from the doubt that flows in my veins, but with the Lord and faith it all slowly drains expression to these pains. Cause if I be wicked, then why labor in this vein? Ha! Make this guy's money, but at the end of the day, honey, I'll still go insane. A mixture of Batman, Harvey, and Bane. Oh, the pain. When will this new life I see come close enough to gain? What are you saying? You lost in a fairy tale talking about dragons we slaying. This is not just an entertainment game, this is wisdom. Wisdom. Huh. I need to say it again, this is wisdom. This is wisdom that needs to be released. Hold your peace, cause if this war occurs, just put it this way. That's exactly what the devil has been wishing for. When dallying for his wishing job, his genie job gives me a chance to wish for some more. These words are my sword, so does this mean I will die by words in a war? Satan ain't got a thing to do with this anymore. Saying the same thing over again, cause he must have all forgot. This is just a scheme for me to get rich and hot now. This is the world we got, and if you continue to place these evil thoughts in my children's head, I will pray hard for your life to slowly end. I will not have to be in the same city, but remember the Lord shows no pity to those that corrupt the youth. Come see my booth. Truth is what we on. I pray to see you eye to eye before the break of a new dawn. Together we lay back on a green lawn. This is just what the thoughts I be on. Truth to the youth. T-T-T-Y. If money is happiness I refuse to buy. Hear my battle cry. This is my battle song. Am I wrong for having my own battle song? Well, fuck it anyway. I'm gonna do this shit all every day. Yeah. Hear the emotion, hear my flow, hear the emotion coming from my soul. I don't give a fuck what you gotta say anymore, cause you ain't that hot. Quit trying to scare us with that elephant trunk. Put that shit away, who you trying to get sprung. Bitch.